This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating iOS and making a quick backup so you can work safely. Once done, go to Settings Battery Health and note the maximum capacity %. Make sure optimized battery charging is enabled to reduce wear, and begin with a controlled charge using the original charger. Remove heat-trapping cases while charging to avoid thermal stress. Also disable unnecessary background. Refresh now so the phone won't draw extra current during the recovery steps that follow. Once your initial prep is finished, calibrate battery reporting by charging uninterrupted to 100% and keeping the phone powered for about 2 hours. Then use it normally until it shuts down from low battery. After the shutdown, charge straight to 100% without interruptions to help the system relearn capacity. Make sure to reduce load during this period. Enable low power mode, disable background app refresh and location access for heavy apps, and keep screen brightness low so the calibration reflects real capacity rather than transient drain. You finish by monitoring behavior for 24 to 48 hours. Recheck battery health and watch how quickly % declines under normal use. If maximum capacity remains below about 80% or you see peak performance notifications, find the cycle count in Settings Privacy Analytics and share it with a technician. If charging or sudden shutdowns continue, contact Apple or an authorized service for a battery replacement. If diagnostics report a faulty cell, replacement is the reliable fix. Quick troubleshooting tip: restart and try a different certified charger before service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.